Hey guys, it's Fibonacci 30. I'm going to show you guys how I use the 7-minute Sunday strategy. Um, and I know I was referring to 5-minute before, but I've actually been playing around with this quite a bit. And 7-minute is actually a lot easier to pull this off with. It doesn't trade quite as much and it still catches the trend. Less chop, just more accuracy. I think it's easier overall. So anyway, let's get right into it. So it's pretty simple. We enter Sunday from 20 to 5:30 GMT. Just take that 7-minute signal and ride it into Tuesday, take some profit there, 50%. Put the stop 1% in the profit to account for some slippage, and then take profit on the remaining position Friday. So I'll show you guys exactly how that works. So here's the Sunday here, back November 11th. We got a buy signal here, not at 20 GMT, so we don't really take that. Got the sell signal here at 4 GMT, so we're going to go ahead and take that. So we're short from about 210 right there. Put the stop above that high, and we just ride that down to Tuesday. Take some profit here on the buy signal because it's the opposite signal. Move our stop a little bit into profit, like right there, somewhere around there. And got a nice little trade here. Friday, we can go ahead and close this out, take some profit here, 176, 171, and then rinse and repeat the next week. So let's get into next week here. So fast forward to Sunday. It's like we're in a time machine, guys. Went to the future. All right, cool. So Sunday, 20 GMTs right here. Bang. Short, 174, 175. Stop above that high. And ride that sucker down into Tuesday. Take some profit there. So Tuesday. Can take profit here at 128. It was a beautiful trade. And we can take the rest off on Friday. Like right here, 119, 118. So awesome trade. And then again, rinse and repeat next Sunday. 20 GMT is right here. So you can take this long at 109, 109.50. Close it out there on that sell, and then we go short 114.84. Stop above that high right here. And ride that into Tuesday. And this is why I like to take some profit on Tuesdays, because we never really know if it's going to reverse. Tuesday is a common pivot intra-week. It doesn't always pivot, but if it's going to, that's the most common day it's going to do it. So take some profit here on the opposite signal, 103. Move the stop into break even, a little bit into profit, 1% into profit, like right there, something like that. And this is why I like to move that stop down and take some profit on Tuesday, because this ripped up right there would have stopped you out and you wouldn't have made anything unless you paid yourself something. But it's all good. And let's go to the next week. So Sunday here, no trades until 23. Then we got a sell, so we're going to go ahead and short that 115. Stop above there at like 119, and ride that down. So this is Tuesday. So on the buy signal, which is the opposite signal, 108, could have taken some profit there. Move the stop into break even, partial profit, and take the rest off on Friday. So here we go, Friday. So you could have taken it off right here at like 85. So that was a beautiful trade, 114 all the way down to, we'll call it 85. Awesome stuff. And then next week again, rinse and repeat. So it's super simple strategy. I love it. Sunday, that was about 1920. So this is a good example here. So it's not 20 GMT, so we normally wouldn't take that trade. However, you notice it didn't take any other trades all the way up until even 5. So we're definitely going to short that. So if you don't get another signal up until 5:30, just take the whatever was the most recent signal. So we go ahead and short that here at we'll call it 92, and then put the stop above that high. And then Tuesday, you can take some profit here at 86, and Friday here we would have taken the rest off at 83 right there. And let's go to the next week. So Sunday, 20 GMT is right here. So you could have taken that short right there at 85.5. And that buy. So this is the long right here. So 84, stop below that low. You could have paid yourself some here. Since we're in longs, we're looking for shorts to take profits. You could have paid yourself some at 94. Could have paid yourself some at 102. You don't have to do 50%. It's just an example of what I do. You can pay yourself, whatever you want. You can even hold it all the way to Friday if you want. If you wanted to only go for the home runs, but definitely at least minimum put your stop into 1% profit on Tuesday, if nothing else. And then Friday, we would have paid ourselves here at about 115. So that was 84 to 115. That was a monster trade. It's like over 30-something% with no leverage. We're now into Sunday. So it's not 20 GMT, so we're not taking any trades. Actually, it is 20 GMT, yeah. So still have that sell. So this is actually a live example. I'm going to actually keep this video updated for members as it happens, the best I can. But yeah, let's crush this trade this week, guys. Basically, just wait. So our overall trend bias right now is still short because we have this sell back here. I'm going to wait a little bit longer, at least into like probably 1 to 2 GMT after Asia to see what happens. If it's still short by like 2 GMT, I'll probably start scaling into some shorts. If it's still short and there's no buy signal here by 5, I'm going to be completely short, and then I'll put my stop up here. That's how I'd play that. And it's the same exact thing with Bitcoin. So same exact strategy. I'm not going to go through the chart here. It's going to take, well, it'll be kind of tedious, and really it's the same exact strategy. So nothing new there. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It makes more sense how I use the strategy now. I'll continue to put out more videos like this to show you exactly how I'm using these bots and these strategies. And hopefully you guys make a lot of Bitcoin from this. And I'll talk to you soon.